I'm totally, well, me and my brother are here, we're just totally devastated. It's just, well, 5 generations. Half of the business is now completely destroyed. We've got customers to serve. The whole area and the way that things just work in these days in Croydon is just despicable, absolutely despicable. I can't believe that as I drove past my shop, having had an alarm call, 2 minutes later it's blazing because someone just got in and torched it. Saw the people coming out of the building and just running off with a crowd of people around it. It's just absolutely staggering that it could happen, especially when there's warnings. I mean, if the police and the fire engines that are here now had been here a minute after the wretches had come out of the building, I wouldn't be standing here looking at a hulk of something that was built in the late 1800s. And it's just provided my family and the 15 to 20 staff and family